Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register on Freelancer, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Freelancer website at www.freelancer.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to register. Select the option to sign up using your email address. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the site's security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, fill out your personal information in the registration form. Provide your full name as requested. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Enter your phone number for verification purposes. You may also have the option to sign up using your Google or Facebook account. If you prefer to use social media, select the appropriate button. Follow the prompts to link your existing account. Once your information is complete, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification email shortly after. Check your email inbox for a message from Freelancer. Open the email and click on. After verifying your email, return to the Freelancer website. Log in using your email and the password you created earlier. Complete your profile by providing details such as your skills and experience. Upload a professional profile picture to enhance your credibility. Specify your payment method to receive funds for completed projects. You can link a bank account or use platforms like PayPal. Review all the information you entered to ensure it is accurate. Finally, click on the Save button to finalize your registration. Congratulations, you are now registered on Freelancer and ready to start bidding on projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.